Remove the nut, the reinforcing iron ring, and the metal ring attached to the ground wire from the arm. Thread the wires through the rounded metal sheet and the hole in the middle of the canopy and secure the wires with the nuts and washers. Twist the part of the wires without cover together and thread the wires through the hole on the canopy. Fasten the wires by passing the wires through the H-shaped fastener. Lift up the lever of the wire connector.
Twist the wires together and insert the black wires into the yellow hole on the connector. Twist the wires together and insert the white wires into the blue hole on the connector.
Twist the short wires from the dimmer together and insert the wires into the yellow hole on the connector. Insert the long wires from the dimmer into the orange hole on the connector.
Twist the live wire, L, of plug-in cord together and insert it into the orange hole on the connector. Twist the neutral wire, N, of plug-in cord together and insert it into the blue hole on the connector. Unscrew the screw securing the ground wire. Drill a shallow hole for the screw securing the ground wire.
Mark the screw fixing spots on the wall according to the hole spacing of the mounting plate. Choose the correct drill bit size for the screws. Tap the plastic drywall anchors into the hole with a hammer. Attach the mounting plate to the wall and using the screws to secure. Unscrew the screw securing the ground wire, wrap a few loops of the ground wire around the screw tightly, and tighten the screw. Attach the canopy to the mounting plate using the screws to secure. Screw off the socket ring. Put the lampshade around the lamp holder. Secure the fabric shade by screwing a socket ring into the lamp holder.